This is a damage report on 455 Hamilton Mulberry Grove Road. This is what that subdivision dumps down in here. It just completely covers about 2 acres back in the woods and comes down, and you can see where it's torn through the pipe. That's a 3-foot pipe that has been carrying this little small stream, and this is about the way the stream normally looks. I mean, not even that much, but that's all the water we ever used to get in here. Now we're getting water that comes all the way over this road. It's 100 feet from my car, and that's the water goes. The flow of water is from the front of my car all the way across this bridge, up this road, and it's about 100 to 110 feet to this point where the water flows over this, and then probably at the bottom of the creek. From this point to my car, the depth of the water is probably 8 feet deep, 7 feet to 8 feet deep from the bottom of that creek right in there to this level I'm standing on. And this is the kind of erosion that it's doing. It erodes, comes out of the creek bed, comes around here, completely covers this up, and as you can see, all of my road gravel, everything, it's eroded these banks and just completely wiped this thing out. You can see the damage it's doing, that it's done to the bridge. And you can see that's tons of rocks and gravel, and there's more underneath that and down in this hole and down the creek. You can see way down the creek, about 100 feet, 200 feet, there's a pile of rocks down there too. It's washed it down that far, and the water gets all back up in here. So it's totally taken us out of the real estate market. We can't even, we've been trying to sell it. We had somebody in here to buy it, and they probably saw all this water. I'm gonna find out, but this water comes over this edge right here and floods this whole area. This whole area gets flooded. It floods all the way up in the back over in that side, and it just looks like a river down through here. You can see all the silt and gravel that's been brought down from the upstream. But that's the kind of damage it's doing, and now we're going to have to have a crew come in here, a contracting crew come in here and tear out this whole bridge. And we've had estimates way back when it wasn't this bad, and they were not going to have to take out this pipe. We had estimates in the 10 to 12,000 range a couple of years ago, when it's been doing it for about 2 or 3 years, really bad. And it's really gotten bad now that they've graded all those lots up in that subdivision and dumped all that water down here. But it should give you some idea of what's going on and the erosion that's happening. And this is going to continue to get worse.